Welcome to DCC. This is a video solution of recent contest of LeetCode. Question number 2. Count total number of colored cells. In this question, we have given an integer n, and for every integer, we have to return certain number of. We have to return a count of number of squares. And how we will found the number of square in it according to the question. Let's say for n equal to 1, the square count is 1, and for n equal to 2, we have to increase the square which for which every edge is open to the space. Let's suppose this square we have, and we have four edges are exposed to our space. So new square will this single square will give birth to four squares, which will be this. Okay, and for n equal to 3, again these exposed edges to the space will give birth to the new square. Then this n equal to for n equal to 3, these new squares are generated, this, and for and this square will generate this, and this. Okay, so what we have to observe in this question, we have to check that we know that for n equal to 1, the single square will be there, and for n equal to 2, the number of square is increased by 4. Okay, and plus previous number of square, because previous number of square will be having in our hand. Okay, and again for n equal to 3, we can check that our square number of square is increases by 4 into 2, which is 8, and plus the previous one. So what I have done, I have used recursion. So this is the code, that for n equal to 1, I have returned 1, and for n greater than equal to 1, I have written 4 into n minus 1, means new square generated, which is 4 into n minus 1, and the count of previous square, which is colored cell of n minus 1. So this is the simple question of recursion, and the constraint is 10 raised to the power 5, so it can work. But if it is more than 10 raised to the power 5, then it will go and give DLE, but it is in our range, so this recursion solution will work. So yeah, this is the video solution. Thank you so much.